Alcalde ng lungsod ng Maynila. Let's all welcome Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ay pasensya na kayo. Hindi ko makontrol ang panahon. Nakakulan. O sayang yung araw natin. But I'm happy and I would like to thank to the participants of this program by your DDCAM. Kami ni Vice Mayor na excite kami. Gusto nyo bang ulitin natin to?
Yes!
Gusto nyo ulitin natin? And let's make it a habit that our Filipino artistic skills be shown to the general public and be shared to the general public. So I'm encouraging all those participants who join us in, who can join us in Arroceros Park, because there will be activities in the coming weeks, months, up to March of 2026. So lahat kayo, inibitahan namin, at kayo mga naparito, ito, diba, dito magsisimula yung Esplanade. Ito, diba, lalakad kayo dyan, o chichicha kayo. May dala kang girlfriend. Pag nilakad mo yan sa October 19, hopefully cross finger, the last part of the Esplanade will land in Arroceros Park. Your part, nalagaan ng siyudad ng Maynila para sa mga tagalungsod ng Maynila at sino man dumadapo dito. So from here, you walk all the way out to Post Office. After Post Office, MacArthur. After MacArthur, ayun na ang Arroceros Park. So, habang ikay nilang minamahal or nililigawan, by the time dumating kayo sa Arroceros Park, sinagot ka na noong nililigawan. Ganun kahaba ito. And ganun kaganda doon sa area. So, i-invite namin, we're now taking this opportunity to invite each and every one of you, Manilans and non-Manilans, to visit us in Arroceros Park, in Cartilla, because your DDCAM created so much activities sa area na yun. And I want to showcase that area because that's, I think, for now, the remaining lungs of the city. Nabawi natin yun ng unang termino ko at nagawa naman natin. Ngayon, there's so much lush and trees in the area. Tapos meron pa tayo mga activities dito. So but for today, congratulations, palapakan natin ang DDCAM. At palapakan natin ang mga malikhain nating kababayang Pilipino. Ayan. Para sa inyo ito. And huwag kayong magsasawa. Kami naman, we will continue to conduct activities under DDCAM to be reminded and share, continue to share our culture, our tradition, and artistic and creative skills as Filipino. To our fellow Filipinos and those foreigners who will come in and out of the city of Manila. So muli, maraming salamat, congratulations, mag-ingat kayo at pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila!
God first!
God first. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Yorme Isko Moreno Dumagoso.